Chad, how are you? Good evening po. ID number. Welcome sa live, guys. Sa mga bagong pasok dyan, good evening you all. Hi, Sai. Shawi, Sai. Kamusta ka? Guys, nag-dinner na ba kayo? Ako kasi kakagising ko lang talaga. ID number! Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ID number. ID number. Mysterious guy, hi! Kamusta ka? How are you? Pwede ba ako kumain, guys? Like, kahit subo-subo lang ng maha, ganun. Ano? Pwede? Pwede? Pahid na kayo, guys, oh. Hi, Hazel! Mysterious guy, ano? Question mark na naman tayo, be? Yes, I'm hungry. Super hungry. Kakagising ko lang kasi. Could you understand Tagalog? ID number. Hi, Ron. Shawi. Welcome sa live, Ron. Ano, guys? Ano? Could you understand Tagalog, be? ID number or only English? So that I could translate what I'm saying. Ako na mag-adjust for you, be. Ako na lang. Sabihin mo lang, be, para alam mo yun. Hi, Yop! Shawi, Yop! Kamusta ka na? When food, what time? When food, what time? What? What do you mean? What do you mean ID number? When food, what time? It's already 10:39 in the evening here. An hour pa. Guys, ito sugat to, ha? Grabe, no. Maganon ko lang yung skin ko. Talagang mamumula na siya. Tapos kanina, guys, binuhat ko tong chair. Binuhat ko yung chair. Natamaan yung legs ko. Asahan nyo may pasana yan mamaya. Bad boy, Shawi. Yob. Yob. Kamusta? Ka na? I don't want to be upset if you're hungry. So if you don't want to be upset if I am hungry, then where's the food? Ay, charis. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I have food here on my side. Maha. ID number. Maha. You know what's maha? Ano ba sa English ang maha, guys? Hindi ko alam eh. Trump. Shall we Trump? How are you? Donald Trump? Ay, iba pala yun. Shut up. Shall we shut up? Ay, hindi na ako magsalita. Ganun ba yun? Lamog. Hello. Shall we Lamog? Thank you so much, ID number. Thank you, ID number. Thank you, thank you. Aray ko. Aray ko po. Ay, sana pumutok. Hi, Mark Rico, shall we? Please, please, please.